What's up, everybody? Arty 84 Wicked Explorers. Today, I'm gonna go check out something that's not gonna be around after Monday. They're actually closing it down today, after tonight. So here it is. It's the Charlestown Bridge. It's the only way to get from Boston proper to Charlestown, and over 100 years old. It actually used to have the Orange Line train that ran on top of it. We did a video of this before, where we did an update about 6 months ago, but tomorrow will be the last day traffic or pedestrians will be allowed to walk across that bridge. It'll be ripped down, a temporary bridge will be in use, and a new bridge will replace it. You can already see them starting to slowly take pieces away. I believe all this will be replaced. All these till about there. I think that will start the new bridge. They'll keep all this over here, and the new bridge will be along here, all the way to the other side. Let's see if we could get up there and walk across the bridge one last time before they start tearing it down. You can never walk on there again. This bridge is over 100 years old. Used to actually turn in the middle. Hasn't worked for many years. I don't ever recall me ever seeing it actually work, but nevertheless it did. So let the boats into the Charles River, and it will be gone sooner than later. The Freedom Trail that runs through Boston actually makes its way over the Charlestown Bridge. It's Faneuil Hall in the north end and everything. And we are walking the trail right now. Bridge entrance right there. Come tomorrow, this will start getting blocked off. The cars will making the detour over there, across that temporary bridge. And all this we're walking on right now will slowly be demolished, little by little. I think they're going to stop the actual main bridge part, and then they're going to work their way around. In the back over there, you can see the TD garden, and they had stopped construction for a little while during the COVID-19, but it's almost done. The Verizon building is almost done. All right, here we are, Charlestown Bridge for the last time. I know we talked about it last video, but those central area right there on top is where the train tracks used to run. The Orange Line used to be elevated. And it's a rickety old bridge. You can see down to the water. Makes a lot of noise. It's old, it's inefficient. There's a need for an update. And that's what's going to happen. That's where the guy used to sit to control the bridge. It used to rotate right above where we're standing right now. Below us, you see that pier is where it used to stand, but already starting to slowly take it apart. Not much left to it. The temporary bridge over there. This is it. Alright, we walked over, we're now in North End. Crossed the bridge to land, now we're gonna cross back over to Charlestown. And this is it. This is the last time I will be stepping foot over this bridge. And 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours, the last time anyone will be stepping over this bridge. So, it served this purpose, it did well, but it's time for a new bridge. And we'll be seeing that in about 2 years or so. But it is what it is. Obviously the dates are a little delayed. It's actually happening, but that's a temporary bridge right there that's going to go over as they start taking down the old bridge. Stickers of the past all will be removed. Temporary barges down there, so the workers can work on the bridge. That sounded really good. I actually was frightened for a second. That made a loud noise. I thought the bridge was coming down, to be honest with you. The wind today is crazy in Boston, so the planes are coming in over the TWE bridge. They're coming very low. This one right here, just making it over the buildings. And that is where I was standing earlier in the beginning of the video. It's cool Marriott hotel. I never stayed in, but definitely convenient to the garden and nice views. Absolutely on the list of hotels to stay in Boston. All right, well that will conclude this video. I hope you enjoyed this last days of the Charlestown Bridge. If you're a Bostonian like myself or a bridge enthusiast, this is definitely a nice record of something that will no longer be here. And if you hope you had a chance to see this. If you have any comments, questions, leave them down below. And please subscribe and hit the little alarm so we know, or you know, every time we have a new video. So see you guys later. Have a good one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe and click the little alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.